What are common barriers to active listening? Have you ever found yourself in a conversation where you just could not focus? Maybe you missed important details that could help you study better. Today, we will discuss common barriers to active listening, especially in the context of effective study note-taking. Active listening is a focused way of hearing that requires full attention to truly grasp what is being communicated. However, several obstacles can get in the way. First, let's talk about faking attention. This happens when you look like you are listening, but your mind is wandering. You might be thinking about what to eat for lunch or planning your response while the other person is speaking. This kind of passive listening makes it hard to remember what was said. To combat this, clear your mind before you start listening. Avoid thinking about your reply while the speaker is talking. Taking notes can help keep your focus sharp and ensure you capture key points. Next, we have internal distractions. These are the thoughts and worries swirling in your mind that can pull your attention away from the speaker. This internal noise makes it tough to process what is being said. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay focused on the speaker. Try to consciously redirect your attention back to them when your mind starts to wander. External noise is another barrier. Background sounds like traffic or chatter can make it hard to hear and concentrate. If you are in a noisy environment, you might find yourself straining to catch every word. To improve your listening experience, choose quiet places for study sessions and conversations. Reducing controllable noise can make a big difference. Another common issue is formulating responses too soon. When you are busy thinking about what you will say next, you miss out on important information. It is better to listen completely before crafting your response. This way, you can ensure you are addressing the speaker's points accurately. Lack of eye contact and body language cues can also signal disinterest. If you avoid eye contact or fidget while someone is speaking, it can make them feel unimportant. Maintaining contact and an open posture shows that you are engaged and respectful of their message. Emotional barriers can cloud your ability to listen effectively. Strong feelings, like anger or anxiety, can make it hard to focus on what is being said. Recognizing and managing these emotions can help improve your listening skills. Lastly, information overload can overwhelm you. Trying to take in too much at once can make it hard to remember details. Breaking information into smaller parts and using effective note-taking strategies can help you manage this barrier. In the context of effective study note-taking, overcoming these barriers is essential. Active listening leads to better understanding and retention of material, which results in more effective notes. By preparing mentally, choosing a quiet environment, maintaining eye contact, and taking concise notes, you can improve your focus and memory.